Well, it's such a beautiful day. Let's get ready for some chickens on the old farmstead. We're gonna put out some hay and keep them warm. So y'all hang around here. Alright, so we got the coop covered, or the makeshift coop for the little pullets, and we've got it really well insulated. We'll go ahead and tighten up that back wall some, and then come out here and do the door. The door is going to kind of look like the other door that goes into the main coop. We'll put some plastic on it, a little old duct tape. Duct tape's always good. And we'll have this thing just about buttoned up for these babies. Alright, so let's wrap the door. Got some good old plastic sheet in here. It's 3 foot by 50 foot. Turns out it works out just right. Don't have to be pretty, but it does have to keep chickens dry. I'll get started. That's light ones. Back on top. Alright, let's turn off the next. So there we have it. Got our front door covered. Got our sides covered. Got our top covered. And y'all forgot to tell me to cover the back, but I did it anyway. Got our playpen ready for our babies. Got them a place for some water and some food. Got them separated from the big girls. I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. And like and subscribe and thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Old Man Prepper. We're ready for new chickens. More to come.